Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Garage Reviews, and welcome to the video in which we take delivery of a Kia Sonet. Today is delivery day. But before we start this video, I would just like to make this clear that this is not actually my personal car that I'm taking delivery of. This is my brother's car. And the reason why this is special is because this is my brother's first car, and the first car is always very special. No matter what car you have in the future, be it even a Lamborghini, I mean that would be special, but your first car is something that you always remember, and that is one experience that I want to share with you guys in this video. We're headed off to the Kia showroom right now because the car we are buying is the Kia Sonet. So let's head off to the showroom and see how it goes. We are here. Okay, so now our car has actually arrived in the inventory, so that's where we're headed right now. And right next to the Kia showroom over here, we have the actual inventory where they keep all the cars that have to be delivered, or all the cars that they have in the inventory. So let's go check out our car. We have quite the stack over here. That's amazing. And out of this whole yard of cars over here, this is our car. The white Kia Sonet with the new Kia logo, that is the 2021 variant. I am like head over heel in love with this car. The reason why we went white is because white is one of the most classiest colors for a car in my personal opinion. I mean, black also looks very nice, but the problem with black is that during the hot weather in India, the harsh sunlight, the cars really get very hot, and that is the sole reason why we went with white. So the car right now is pretty dirty. We'll get this car washed before taking delivery of it. But before that, we actually have to do a whole PDI of this car, which meaning that we'll check all the lights and stuff, check for any minor scratches on the car and all that thing. Alright, so the car has now been unlocked. I'll just keep my handy dandy bag in the rear seats of this car. Once you open the front side, you can see we now have the newer Kia steering wheel. And don't you guys just love the smell of a new car? Well, this is a new car, so we have that smell. Awesome. And the interior is just amazing. Like any other car that we saw in this segment while we were deciding to buy the Kia Sonet, the interior was just unmatched. The Kia Sonet has one of the most gorgeous interiors that I have seen in this segment, and so this has to be the car that we bought. And yes, it is an IMT as well, so there is no clutch in this car, just direct gear changes. So yeah, I mean, I am completely psyched for this car. We cannot wait to take this car out on the open roads. And so finally everything is now complete. This is what we have. We have got a few accessories installed to this car. For example, if you see, we have these door silhouettes over here which have the Sonet embossing on them. We have got the chrome lining around the windows of this car. Behind the car we have the mud flaps in this car, which we did get installed. We got the car cover for this car, which is inside, and we did get 3 microfiber cloths to keep this car squeaky clean as always. And finally, now everything has been completed. We are now waiting for the car delivery. The reason we are still waiting is because my brother's father, that is my uncle, is coming to take the delivery of the car, because the car is in my uncle's name, and that is why we are just waiting for his arrival, and then the car will be officially ours. I absolutely cannot wait. It's official. The car is now being parked into the delivery bay, which means that we are moments away from taking delivery. My family is just right there, waiting for the car to be parked, and then we can take delivery of this car. So that's my uncle. He wants to see the whole car right now, and we've opened up the whole car. He's seen it once before we bought the car, obviously, but he just wants to take his own PDI for the car, which, you know, makes sense. This is one of the finest Kia traditions, and that is with every new car purchase, they actually give you a plant, which is, I think, a great initiative. I mean, obviously we're going to drive the car, it's going to create a pollution, and even though it's a very, very small initiative, I think that too is a great one. Alright, so the first startup as a brand new car, the car is now running, and I have been given the honors to take this car out of the parking lot. We're going to pop into first gear, put down the parking brake, and we are off. We're gonna pop this car into the side park over here and then get everyone loaded and go for the first drive. With everyone tucked in the car perfectly, we are off for our first ride. How are you feeling right now?
It's feel good. Let's see how we gonna road the road.
All right, okay, off for the first ride. This is actually the second time I'm going to drive an IMT car. Let's see how it drives. Obviously, I'll be telling you the full experience in my full review that I do in this car really shortly. Right now, we are just off to the petrol pump getting this car filled up. Alright, at the filling station we're getting our first 5 liters, which is free, and then obviously we're going to top up the whole petrol tank in this car. Up until now, my impressions right now would be that this car is awesome. It drives very smoothly, but the one thing that is pretty trippy in this car, it has to be the gearbox, because it's an IMT, so obviously you don't have a clutch in this car. So what happens in a clutch car is that when you want to change gears in that car, or you want to take a turn, you can keep it in high gear and then use the clutch to like keep the car moving. But because this car doesn't have a clutch, it starts to beep and it tells you to gear down really quickly so that you can make that turn. So this is something that you need to get used to, I would say. But once you do, I think it would be pretty cool. Up until now, really great experience, but what we've driven, not even a kilometer, because we got this car at the odometer 21, so it's even less than a kilometer, so it's hard for me to say anything right now, but I am pretty pumped to drive this car. I'm sure my brother is too.
Yeah.
Alright, I know that I am being cruel right now by not sharing my driving experience of this car, but you guys will have to wait for the driving review of this car, which I will do very shortly. But no car purchase or any big purchase in India can be complete without any sweets. So we are here at Anupam Sweets and we're obviously going to buy something big. And just like that, it is a brand new day. The car was parked in the house late last night and it was pretty dark, so that's why I couldn't film a video. But now it is the early morning, and just like in the traditional Indian style, we are going off to a temple to have the ceremony in the official Indian style. So I'm just gonna take the car out and park it right over there for the time being, and then we will be off there. So we've arrived at the temple over here. The car has been parked beautifully in the side of the road over here, and right on cue, Panditji has also arrived. So the rituals for this car will now be completed. And finally, we are back home. That was a long day. But this car has absolutely been crazy. I cannot wait to review this car on the channel really soon. This car, especially this white color in the direct sunlight, it is glazing all over, looks very nice. But now that the car has been parked, before ending this video, there is just one more thing left for you guys, and that is the box that came along with this car. And my brother is the one who's going to be opening that box. Let's see what's inside that box, and after that we can officially end this video. Okay, so this is what we have got in the car. It's a small little pouch. Oh no, it's not actually a pouch. It's a sticky thing that you keep on the dashboard of the car, so that if you want to keep anything on this, it won't roll around in the car. So this is what it says. I don't know what the official name for this is, but I'm just gonna go with sticky thing. Alright, my brother said it's the anti-skid pad, so that I think is the official name for this. We get a keyring with the Kia branding, once again with the previous logo, just a small little nick pick. And then we also get a pen. So this is what we get with the new Kia Sonet. And with this, I think we can officially end this video. Once again, I cannot wait to review this car, go for a long drive in this car. I will be filming all of that in detail once all of that happens. The review will be out really shortly. So I would say that if you haven't yet pressed that subscribe button, I would say smash it up. Press that like button if you like this video, share this video as much as you can, and a subscribe to the channel would be legendary because it gives me motivation to create more such content for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.